Welcome to the Alpstein massif in the eastern Swiss Alps. The Säntis, the highest peak in this region, rises majestically to 2,502 meters. Spanning the cantons of Appenzell and St. Gallen, this area is renowned for its spectacular landscape, diverse flora and fauna, and attracts numerous hikers and climbers each year. The mountain formations are characterized by barren rocks, steep walls, and striking peaks, making them a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Geologically, the Alpstein consists mainly of limestone, which has formed impressive karst landscapes, caves, and rock formations through weathering and erosion. During the last ice age, glaciers shaped the terrain and left behind moraines that form today's topography. The region is rich in culture, with traditional huts, Appenzell folk culture, and its proximity to Lake Constance. Despite the extreme conditions, a variety of alpine plants thrive in the Alpstein. You can find gentian species, edelweiss, and various grasses that transform the landscape into a colorful sea of flowers in summer. The animal world of the Alpstein is just as diverse. Ibex, chamois, and marmots populate the steep slopes and rocks, while many bird species, such as the alpine chough, soar through the air. The Alpstein, a region that impresses with its scenic, geological, and ecological diversity. A unique area in the Swiss Alps that is waiting to be discovered.